Okay, hi guys. Today we are making another video. You know, cool. Just away. Okay, I'm gonna put you right there. This part 5, right? Part 5. Part 5, kids. Part 5. I'm gonna do this one easy mode. Okay. I'm gonna do this one. Okay. Okay, let's bury it in the sand. Okay. What even is this? Oh. I said like what? Oh, do I get to choose which balloon is gonna be? I think this one is very well picked. No, I think this one, yeah, this one. Oh God, no. Okay, I'm gonna put it in slow speed because I didn't even put anyone. So that was a little bit bad, guys. Oh, that was so bad. I'm so bad at picking, dude. I'm supposed to put it right there. Kill it! Why don't you kill it? Why is he not doing anything? Oh, he just... Great. Oh my God. I better upgrade it super duper well trained. Because look, just look at him. He's so OP, and those red ones are super duper OP. I think I'm doing a little bit way too easy. Okay. Wait, no, that's way too hard. I'll wear the heart balloon shaped ones. Let me do rainbow ones. Okay, metal ones. Oh my God, I didn't even put one of those. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. This is so bad. God, why did I put metal ones without even having any of the metal killers? I guess we are just almost dead now. Okay. Let's spawn in some of these. Okay, now we'll spawn in some of these. Okay. So, they're passing it way too fast. Oh my gosh. Wait, did I spawn in those? Did I spawn in those? Bro, I'm not doing any of this. Bro, this is just so creepy. Okay, I think I am doing this. Okay. Just the normal type of balloon. The normal type of balloon. Rainbow. Camouflage. Oh my gosh. I knew a lot of camouflage. Oh my God, I didn't. I knew it without even. Oh my gosh. Dude, I better put one of these. Why didn't I put one of these? Okay. Now this is better. Okay. Now I'm gonna do a super monkey because those are super duper strong. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do this one and this one. Look at everything. Look how it is. Look how cool it is. Look at it. First. Dun, dun. Look, he has the power to kill everything. Okay. I think we should do it. Okay, he looks absolutely insane. All of them look absolutely insane. Just look at all of them. Just look at all of them. Look at all of them. They're so OP. Just look at all of them. They're so OP. Look at it. Look at it. Look. Just look at it. Look at everything. Look, I even have to put one right here. I'm wasting all of my money on crazy things. There's gonna be a security guard. Okay. Okay, do all of them. Look how OP he is. Look how OP he is. Look, I can't even do this one. Strong, close, last, first, not last. I want last. Last. Boo, 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 boo. Look how insane it is. Look at it. Look at all of it. Look at all of it. I'm just super impressed right now. To Milo and impressed. Okay, it's looking super duper insane. Just turn around. Just turn around. Just you look at that. Just turn around. Look how OP he is. I'm gonna do it right there. Okay, I'm totally gonna upgrade to the last level. Okay, I'm just gonna do spam click all of them. Of all of the levels. Dabba 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 dabba. Dabba 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 dabba. Dabba dabba boom 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 boom. Just look at everything. Look at all we done. Look at everything. Okay, now we can actually see the balloons. I'm just gonna spam click the strongest one. Okay. Okay, look at all of this. Look at all of it. Look at all of it. Just look at all of it. Just the weight of all of it. Just look at all of it. Just look at all of it. Just look at all of it. I'll spawn another one, okay? This one is gonna be even stronger. Okay, look at him. Okay, now this one is gonna be full bird proof. Bruh, I didn't spawn in the bird proof one. I accidentally picked that one. Okay. Now time for the fully bird king. He's literally the bird king. Look at him. I did a dinosaur king, I did a bird king, and I did a water king. Look at me. What other best thing can I do to impress you? To impress minds. To impress minds. To my minds. Just look what I done. Just look what I done. Just look what I did. Okay, we only get to this one, I think. So, what? Oh, okay, I think he did it. Okay, he has all of it. I thought he didn't have all of them. Wait. Where is this one? Then where is this one? He doesn't have it? Where is it? How many did he do? How many did the dinosaur one do? Okay, how many did the bird king do? Okay, he did 0. Seriously, he was just standing there, and he did a lot more. This one literally did. Oh, now he's super duper. Okay, back to this one, and this one did a little bit less, and the one did nothing. I have to do it full speed. Just go faster, my kings. Just go faster, my king. I'm gonna put another one of these. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here so it can be the protector. Full range. Okay, now I'm gonna do this one. Okay, now I'm gonna spawn in another one. Okay, I'm gonna put in. Where can I put it? Right. Where do I put it? There. Okay. Am I to impress? Oh yeah, look at him. Look how strong and fabulous he looks. Look how strong and fabulous. Hey. Go. I have more stuff that can improve. Yeah. Look at everything Zooey's done. Okay. My next plan. You've got it. Okay. I'm gonna span click this. And then I'm gonna do one of these. Okay. This is what I was left with. Okay, now we're gonna do one of these. It's gonna start off very boring, but I promise it's gonna get very cool soon. Now look at it. Now he looks super duper cool. Funny though. Buddy da bunny dum dum da da da. Daddy da buddy dum boom boom buddy da boom buddy da da. Okay. Pull down the anchors. Pull down the anchors. Pull down the Pull down the anchors. Pull the anchors. Pull down the anchors. Pull down the anchors. Pull down the anchors. Pull down the anchors. Dum dum dum. Down the anchor. Put 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 down the anchor wherever you are. It might seem boring, but I promise it's gonna look very cool soon. It's gonna look very cool soon. It's gonna look very soon. It's gonna be very cool soon. I'm even gonna put down the anchor. Ha 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 ha. You got me in that one. Ha ha. What funny. But something else that is funny is that Christmas is canceled for you. That's a silly joke, but it's actually true. Or then you are gonna die forever. Just kidding. Okay. Do you want this? Or do you want a da? Or do you want a this? Do you want a da? Do you want a this? Or do you want a da? Do you want a his? Do you want a da? Okay. Like it, subscribe, I'll leave you with this guy. Subscribe.